So do you think you're going to land on 2.9 then? Or
depends on what they're using.
They want to use?
Yeah, if the winds are, so you don't want a quartering tailwind is the bad thing.
Okay.
So if you're going basically east to west or west to east, and so, or say 0220 is your cut.
Yeah.
You want winds to be on all the way on one side of that split, left or right, because if you say the winds come, so we took off on 11.
Yeah.
Say the wind is from say 2-4 at 4. It's going to be pushing kind of back this way.
Okay.
And it'll have a tendency to push the tail of your airplane around.
Oh, okay.
So light LIGHT, light quartering tailwinds are historically problematic at slow speeds. So you may not have a good strong headwind,
sure,
but you avoid the tailwind, the quartering tailwind.
Quartering.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So what does it say the weather is up there right now? Radar 160 at 3, so we would do 11 because that's still, so anything within 60 degrees of your heading is your preferred.
Gotcha.
Because at 60 degrees, anything less than 60 degrees, you get the help of a headwind with less and less push,
okay,
deviation wise. So if you had a headwind at 110, it would be perfect, right down the runway,
right,
okay, and it would only really help everything. For every 10 degrees to the left or to the right, you get 1/6 of that force pushing you away from the midline. So if it's at 160 at whatnot?
160, oh gosh, where'd it go?
160 at...
I'm changing it to runway, so here.
So it's 160 at 3. So it's minimal, but you're only going to get 5/6 of 3, which is like 2.5.
Okay.
But if you were dealing with like 20, 30 knots,
yeah,
5/6 of 20 may be a, that's 5/6 of 20 is like 17.
Sure.
That's less than 20. You're going to get 17 knot push south to north this way. So when we're coming into land, we're going to be going west to east. There will be a wind coming from the south, and as we get closer to the ground, it'll want to push us to the left.
Okay.
And what you wouldn't want would be coming into land and have so 11 and have something coming from over my right or left shoulder, because then as we got down close to land, it would want to push our tail.
Okay.
Which would be problematic.
That would be problematic.
So you want as much force as you can get on the front half of the plane.
Okay. I see.
So we'll probably do right traffic for 11, or I can deviate left and set up for just a right base.
Okay.
11 as we get closer.
Right.
Tower for 509, we're at Charlie 1 for 11, to take off on 1, and we're going about 5 miles to the south-southwest.
Track 45019, Jackson Tower, runway 11, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 11, 45019.
Air Track 019, traffic inbound Cirrus from the southeast for the right downwind 11.
I'll be looking for the traffic. I'm going to do a left-hand turn now.
Sam?
No, right one should be good. You're well below pattern altitude. Just wanted you to know that he was out there.
Roger that.
Tower, I am midfield downwind right traffic 11.
Cirrus 421 X-ray Papa, runway 11, clear to land.
41 X-ray Papa, clear for 11, thank you.
Lots of birds off the departure end.
little bumpy bumperton there?
Just a little.
Trying to figure out if that was better or the one down there.
There's one X-ray Papa, turn right at the end, taxi to the ramp via Charlie Delta, cross runway 2 at Charlie.
Charlie Delta, cross 2 at Charlie, 41 X-ray.